Welcome to AGR, and I'm Jeremiah Ontiri. I'm glad to have you as one of our viewers, too, as one of our listeners. You have been our support since time immemorial when we began as AGR, and we're really glad to have you. Last year, we hosted a very wonderful group which inaugurated here in Dallas, Fort Worth, this t-shirt, Howie Foundation. It belongs to Howie Foundation. And we will be doing a recap to see and know how they're faring on since then. And two, I want to remind you that AGR FM is open. Our doors are open so that if you have something special you want our people to listen to, you want our people to have information and knowledge of, we are here for you. We can give you the platform so that you can reach our people. For more information, go to AGR FM, also abagusicglobalradio.com. I'm Jeremiah Ontiri, and I'm happy to have you aboard. Also, I want to remind you that of late, as AGR FM, also we want to acknowledge that technology is moving very fast, and therefore we have made a very special app for your phone, iPhones, smartphones, be either even tablets. So go to your app store, be either smartphones, be either iPhones, tablets, Apple. Go to Play Store, go to your app store, get our app, listen to us on the go. Our name is AGR USA, and I'm glad that so many listeners are giving us a feedback on how they are getting us live on air wherever they are. Stay tuned, and until next week, we shall be featuring very special groups. We are on the move. Be on the lookout. Don't worry.